subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
The future is great, but what I feel from inside is, we should not be repeating ourselves. हमारे हमारे यहाँ पे इंडस्ट्री में आदत क्या है कि गोलीबारी, खून खराबा, वायलेंस, सेक्स और ये सारी चीजें अगर एक सीरीज में चलती है तो उसके जैसी 4 सीरीज आती है। अब जैसे स्कैम चला है तो हो सकता है उसके जैसी 4, 5, 10 सीरीज आने लगे। वी शुडंट बी डूइंग दैट, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। मेरे को आदत थी मुझे टिफिन ले जाने की, तो पहले लोगों ने देखा, प्रतीक को आदत थी टिफिन लाने की, तो we used to, we are gujjus and we are very particular about our food and taste and all. Everyone started doing that. So and we used to sit together, eat each other's food. We were not anticipating this kind of overwhelming response. I mean, this is beyond our expectation and imagination or understanding, and it is, I mean we are overwhelmingly amazingly surprised. I mean, ऐसा कैसे हो गया? That is the thing that I'm asking every day to myself. मेरे तारक मेहता, तो कहता है हर्षद मेहता, और फिर मैं कहता हूँ अश्विन मेहता। फिर वो एक सीन है जहाँ पे वो माँ कहती है कि तू शादी कर ले, तो मैं कहता हूँ बीवी को क्या ऊपर सुलाऊंगा। बहुत सारे, मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहूँगा फिल्म मेकर्स के, मुझे कई बार ऐसे रोल्स ऑफर हुए जो कि 1 सीन या 2 सीन के।
Hi guys, this is Kajal Gupta. You're watching me on India Forums, and today I have with me someone who has impressed the audience with his performance of Ashwin Mehta in Scam 1992. Welcoming Hemant Kher. Hi sir, welcome to India Forums.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. Hi Kajal, how are you?
I'm good. Sir, how is, मतलब सबके लिए lockdown तो काफी मतलब थोड़ा ups and downs रहे हैं. But I think your lockdown has been pretty great because the show is a big hit. So, what do you have to say about that?
It turned out to be great, and while lockdown also was going on, I was busy with a lot of stuff. I was writing, I was coaching, I was doing a lot of activities, but by the end of lockdown, this series came and, it gave wo Diwali mein, the way we fire the crackers, the last one is the bigger one. This is the bigger one.
Exactly sir. वही मेरा सबसे पहला point है कि sir, everybody is talking about this show. It's one of the most talked about shows in recent times. It is a OTT show. जब आप लोग ये शो बना रहे थे, and ऐसा नहीं है कि ये स्टॉक मार्केट पे पहली सीरीज है या पहला प्रोजेक्ट है, there have been series, but इसका popularity was something else. So did you anticipate this kind of reaction?
No, we anticipated that it is going to be a good content, it is going to be a good product, because we knew the scripts, we knew how it was being made, but we were not anticipating this kind of overwhelming response. I mean, this is beyond our expectation and imagination or understanding, and it is, I mean we are overwhelmingly amazingly surprised. I mean, ऐसा कैसे हो गया? That is the thing that I'm asking every day to myself.
Yeah, but I think very well deserved because we all love it. And
Thank you so much.
sir, your character of Ashwin Mehta, you're playing the brother of Harshad Mehta.
Yeah.
So, and everybody is very impressed the way you have pulled off the character. So, during the process, did you look at any references? Did you read about Ashwin Mehta? What was your prep?
I read about him as much as the material is not very much there on the net. There is just one single photo of Ashwin Mehta with Harshad Mehta keeping his hand on his shoulder, and there is very little material about Ashwin Mehta. But I learned few things about him. One of those were that he was a fighter. Ashwin Mehta never gave up fighting. I got to know from my research that he is still fighting the cases which were on them. So that was one of the important information that I got. And the script which was written over the 3 years of time, they have researched very well about every character, and they have created such a wonderful script that I didn't have to look outside of the script. Though I read few articles and stuff like that about him, but script has given me a lot of information, like he's cautious, he's supportive, he's like a wall, he's aggressive sometimes, he is very resilient, he is very much in love with his family. So all these things I derived from the script and a little bit of research. So
Yeah.
and I remembered few words about him, and I try to tell those words every day to myself. Whenever I was in shoot, I used to tell those words to myself, and I get into the character.
Yeah. So what were those words?
One is cautious.
Hmm.
Second, he is a wall of support. Third is he's not the risk taker. Fourth is he loves his family and his brother. I'll tell you, Ashwin was elder brother to Harshad actually by age.
Okay.
But
Okay.
looking at the script, I saw that in every scene, Harshad is leading the scene, right? He's leading the situation, he's leading the life, he's leading the family. So he is the leader. So except one or two scenes, I always kept this thought process that though Harshad is younger in age, but I always considered him as my elder brother.
Yeah.
So that is the thought that I carried.
Yeah. I think that's nice. That's a good insight you've given us. Nice.
Yeah.
So sir, also मतलब the characters, मतलब performances are a hit, top notch. But
Correct.
the music, the dialogues, everything about this show has become a hit. मतलब dialogues, so everybody is relating to it. And so
Absolutely.
you are a writer yourself. तो आपका कोई input था script में या on set या कोई improv dialogue?
कुछ इम्प्रोवाइजेशंस किए थे, जैसे वो एक सीन में वो कहता है कि वाह मेरे तारक मेहता, तो कहता है हर्षद मेहता, और फिर मैं कहता हूँ अश्विन मेहता. फिर वो एक सीन है जहाँ पे वो माँ कहती है कि तू शादी कर ले, तो मैं कहता हूँ बीवी को क्या ऊपर सुलाऊंगा. सो दोज आर लिटिल इम्प्रोवाइजेशंस आई डिड, but I have decided on the first day of the shoot that I am going to be the actor here. You know, when you try to travel in two boats at the same time, you are not able to manage any of them. So I'm an acting coach also, and I'm a writer also. But on the first day, even before the first day of the shoot, when we were reading the script, I have told myself that I'm not going to give a single % of my attention to, you know, to suggesting to something to actors, or to suggesting something to the director that do this, write this line this way. Yeah, we try to manipulate few of the lines for the purpose of, you know, speaking it correctly. Otherwise, no, I haven't put my head into writing or coaching anybody.
Yeah. So you're a director's actor.
Absolutely. If the director is ready, I can transform myself into anything they want, and I always surrender myself, because I very strongly understand one thing, that film is a medium where only one person who knows the story is director, nobody else. Because there are multiple ways of telling the story, through audio, through video, through, you know, sometimes keeping the frame empty, sometimes filling it. So the director is not just telling the story through the actor, he's telling the story through n number of different elements. So I am the one who surrenders completely every time.
Yeah. And we all know what a prolific director Hansal Mehta is. His work speaks for him. And even Pratik Gandhi has just, you know, surprised everybody with his Harshad Mehta character. So on-set experience कैसा था जब cut हो जाता था, तो what were you guys bonding over? क्या बातें होती थी set पे?
We were bonding over food basically. मेरे को आदत थी मुझे टिफिन ले जाने की, तो पहले लोगों ने देखा प्रतीक को आदत थी टिफिन लाने की. So we are Gujjus, and we are very particular about our food and, you know, taste and all. So we started carrying tiffins, and slowly everyone started doing that. So, and we used to, you know, sit together, eat each other's food. Secondly, I and Pratik knew each other since last 3-4 years. तो हमारी बातें were about literature, about plays, वो होती थी. Hansal sir is very funny person, and he is always into the business of pulling our legs. मतलब if we want to say that you have done good job, he would say कि इससे अच्छी acting नहीं हो पाएगी. So that was quite interesting, and we understood him immediately. So there were a lot of things. We used to talk about the films. We used to talk about the directors that he aspires or inspired to be. There are different style of filmmaking. So I am also a little bit of writer director kind of person. So I got very intrigued in all of
Yeah.
that. I used to ask him some stupid questions like, "Sir, when do you get to know that this is the right moment to understand the shot? How do you judge that this is right, this is wrong?" So I
Yeah.
kept on talking and asking him a lot of questions.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
that was great. Also, the show is about stock market. You are two brothers who are running the stock business. So, personally, how interested are you in stock market?
I'm very interested in stock market, but I don't understand it. I'm very bad at it. I see people making a lot of money from share market, and I'm like, oh my god, मुझे ये आता तो कितना अच्छा होता, but मुझे नहीं आता है. मतलब I'm good with emotions, words, and feelings, and
Yeah.
art and all. I'm very bad with numbers. It is very
Yeah.
difficult to, it is all depend on the kind of research you do. It is dependent on, you know the portfolios of the companies and stuff like that. And to
Yeah.
read and understand all that is,
Uh-huh.
I can read a novel. I can't read portfolios. That is
Yeah.
my issue.
Yeah, but also tell me something about your journey. Like, you said that you're from a Gujarati family. Your parents do
True.
not have any industry connections. They are not a part of the industry. And you have been in the industry बहुत पहले से. मतलब some people
Correct.
might know कि अभी scam आया है and now this is a breakthrough, but you have done a lot of work before this. So
Correct.
how was your journey through this? मतलब कितना difficult हो जाता है not coming from a filmy background and carving your own path?
Have you seen the शो में ना एक सीन है जहाँ पे हर्षद अपने पापा से बात करता है और अपने पापा को कहता है कि मैं मुंबई छोड़ के नहीं जाऊंगा, नहीं मैं स्टॉक मार्केट छोड़ के नहीं जाऊंगा, और स्टॉक मार्केट मुंबई में है तो मैं मुंबई भी नहीं छोड़ूंगा.
Yeah.
सो दैट स्टोरी गोज विद मी, क्योंकि मैंने बीएससी केमिस्ट्री किया, मैंने पढ़ाई साइंस में की, वो सब किया, लेकिन मुझे पता था कि मुझे आर्ट के अलावा कुछ नहीं आता. आई एम पैशनेट अबाउट फिल्म्स. While giving even this interview, I've just finished narrating a script to somebody and I'm talking to you. So मैंने ठान लिया था कि मैं रहूंगा तो मुंबई में भैया, और जो करूंगा यही करूंगा, जीना मरना यही है. तो मैंने हर काम किया. When I was offered writing, I started writing, और writing करते हुए भी I was assisting, I was doing, even I went on stage और non-fiction shows में ना there is a thing called audience shots. उसमें क्या करते हैं कि audiences के laughing और cheering up वाले shots लेते हैं. I used to conduct that also.
Yeah.
मतलब even as a writer, I was assisting artists. I was helping them mugging their lines. I was doing all kind of jobs. Even when I was offered to coach people, I started coaching. When I was offered to do creative direction, I started doing that. मैंने बस गांठ ये बांध के रखी थी कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री मुंबई में है और मैं मुंबई का पीछा छोड़ने वाला नहीं.
Yeah, great. So, but also tell me something. मतलब have you auditioned for projects? वो experience कैसा था? How were the reactions लोगों के when you used to audition?
मुझे ना बहुत बार, और बहुत सारे, मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहूँगा फिल्म मेकर्स के, मुझे कई बार ऐसे रोल्स ऑफर हुए जो कि 1 सीन या 2 सीन के होते हैं, तो मुझे समहाउ कभी एक्साइट नहीं किया. मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं है कि बहुत बेहतरीन कैरेक्टर हो 2 सीन का और मैं ना करूँ, पर ऐसा भी कभी कुछ नहीं आया. मुझे बहुत अच्छे रिएक्शंस मिलते थे ऑडिशंस के बाद, और मुझे कई बार ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स ऑफर भी हुए. इनफैक्ट मैंने अपने करियर के शुरुआत में ही एक फिल्म एज अ मेन लीड भी की थी, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो फिल्म डब्बा हो गई. तो कुछ टेलीविजन सीरियल्स वगैरह भी किए थे, वो भी दोज डिडंट वर्क आउट. पंगा में मैंने एक बहुत छोटा सा किरदार किया है क्योंकि वो मुझे एक्साइटिंग लगा. नोटबुक में मैंने एक किरदार किया है क्योंकि आई वाज कोच ऑन द फिल्म. तो ऑडिशंस के रिस्पॉन्स हमेशा अच्छे मिलते थे. बहुत बार ऐसा होता था कि कोई स्क्रिप्ट आई मेरे पास ऑडिशन के लिए, तो वो देख के ही मुझे लगता था कि आई डोंट सूट टू द कैरेक्टर, और मैं सीधा बोल देता था कि यार because I was doing other things also in life. I was never dependent on acting only. सो
Yeah.
मेरे पास वो चॉइस थी कि मैं ऐसा कर सकता हूँ। मैं बीच बीच में प्लेस भी करता रहा, तो आई केप्ट ऑन वर्किंग अराउंड एक्टिंग, अबाउट एक्टिंग, बट आई नेवर लेफ्ट द प्लेस। और मुझे कभी भी किसी ने ऑडिशन पे कहीं पे भी बुलाया तो मैं बिल्कुल खुले दिल से गया और पूरी मेहनत से किया। और
Yeah.
मुझे नहीं कैरेक्टर करना होता था तो भी कभी कभी मैंने ऑडिशन किया है, सिर्फ इसलिए ताकि आई कीप ऑन एक्टिंग।
Right, right. You know, something like you just said that when you read a script and you feel that you're not suitable for it, you say it yourself. That is something I don't think many actors do in this industry, because यहाँ पे ऐसा होता है कि आपने अगर अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट देख ली तो you just go and get it. You do not wait कि किसी और को मिल जाए. ये
Correct.
very less people do this in this industry. Also, in this industry, चाहे entertainment, like चाहे Bollywood हो या OTT हो या television हो, there is a new debate about groupism. You know, everybody is saying that you have to be a part of a certain group if you want to get more work या ऐसा कुछ. So, what is your take on that?
My take is यार I feel very spiritually that जो आपकी किस्मत में होता है ना वो आता है, और नहीं होता है वो नहीं आता है। और मुझे ना ये आता ही नहीं है, ग्रुपिज्म वाला सिस्टम मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है, मैं कर भी नहीं पाता हूँ। मतलब मैं आई कांट बी पार्ट ऑफ अ ग्रुप, यू नो आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन पीपल एंड आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ ग्रुप, ऐसा मुझे नहीं समझ में आता है। मुझे ये भी बात समझ में नहीं आती है कि यार काम करने के लिए आपको एक ग्रुप का हिस्सा बने रहना पड़ेगा। these are all you know marketing stuff and which I don't understand. I understand बस एक चीज and that is work. मुझे इतना पता है कि मुझे काम बड़ा अच्छा आता है और मैं मेहनती बहुत हूँ। मतलब मैं मेरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ था और मैं स्टिक लेके चल रहा था रिकवर होने के बाद, एंड आई वेंट ऑन द सेट विद द स्टिक, कि चाहे स्टिक लेके चलूंगा लेकिन मैं काम करता रहूंगा। सो मुझे लगता है कि सत्य सिर्फ एक है और वो है आपका काम। अगर वो आपको अच्छे से आता है तो ना आपको ग्रुप की जरूरत है, ना नेपोटिज्म की, ना किसी चीज की जरूरत है, वो हो ही जाएगा। क्योंकि सबसे बड़ी ताकत तो यूनिवर्स है ना, वो तो देख रहा है ना।
Yeah. I think that's well said, and we all can see what a wonderful creation scam is, because ना ही प्रतीक कोई star kid है या उनके कोई backing है, so even he has just proved himself very well. The show is great. So सबसे ज्यादा खुशी की बात है कि स्कैम इज अ OTT शो, और भले ही OTT कितना भी बूम हो रहा है इस इंडस्ट्री में, इट इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग फॉर OTT शो टू garner such a popularity. So what do you
Absolutely.
think is the future of OTT in this industry now?
It is great. The future is great, but what I feel from inside is, you know, we should not be repeating ourselves. हमारे यहाँ पे इंडस्ट्री में आदत क्या है कि गोलीबारी, खून खराबा, वायलेंस, सेक्स और ये सारी चीजें अगर एक सीरीज में चलती है तो उसके जैसी 4 सीरीज आती है। अब जैसे स्कैम चला है तो हो सकता है उसके जैसी 4, 5, 10 सीरीज आने लगे। वी शुडंट बी डूइंग दैट, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, क्योंकि हम लोग फॉर्मूला में मानने लगते हैं। फिल्मों में भी ऐसा होता है, बट आई थिंक द बेस्ट फॉर्मूला इज टू नॉट हैव एनी फॉर्मूला। अगर इफ वी फॉलो दैट, आई थिंक द फ्यूचर, द सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि OTT gives you lot of freedom to express yourself. So I think we should express ourselves and tell stories which needs to be told, rather than telling the stories which are working in marketplace, ऐसा।
Right.
तो मुझे लगता है। और दूसरा, स्कैम ने एक बहुत अच्छी बात प्रूव की है कि you don't need faces, you need good actors.
That's true. So sir, अगर आपको मौका मिले, like we wrap up this interview, I just want to ask you कि अगर आपको मौका मिले तो आप किस टाइप की मूवीज या किस टाइप के एक्टर्स के साथ काम करना चाहेंगे?
मैं एक तो जो ऑनेस्ट एक्टर्स हैं उनके साथ काम करना चाहूँगा, सबसे पहली बात। और किस तरह की कहानियाँ मैं सुनाना चाहूँगा, तो मैं वैसी कहानियाँ सुनाना चाहूँगा जो कि आपके जीवन में थोड़ा सा बदलाव लाए। मैं कोई ऐसी बात कह के जाऊँ उस कहानी से जिससे आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू थोड़ा सा बेटर हो। जैसे राजकुमार हिरानी सुनाते हैं, जैसे ऋषिकेश मुखर्जी सुनाते थे, तो ऐसी कहानियाँ मैं ज़रूर सुनाना चाहूँगा। मैं ज़रूर मेरी कहानियों के ज़रिए लोगों की लाइफ में थोड़ा वैल्यू एडिशन करना चाहूँगा। सो आई वुड लव टू डू एंड मेक सच films or series or whatever is offered to me, and I think I'll be very good at it.
Yeah, I think wonderful. So scam के बाद कोई projects sign किए हैं आपने?
नहीं यार, अभी तक तो इंतजार हो रहा है। कुछ कुछ लोगों ने अप्रोच किया, कुछ कुछ ऑडिशंस किए, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कुछ अच्छा देगा ईश्वर, कुछ अच्छा आएगा और वो हो जाएगा ऐसा।
Yes.
अभी तो इंतजार कर रहा हूँ।
We wish you all the very best and congratulations yet again for Scam 1992.
Thank you
And
so
thank you
much,
so
Kajal.
much for joining us. Thank you.
Thank you, Kajal. It was pleasure talking to you. Thank you for having me, and thank you to the audience basically who have supported us. I am feeling really grateful and humble, and love to all. Please be safe, stay happy, enjoy your life. God bless you.
Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. See you. Bye.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.